my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see exercise 3.2 question 1, find the solution by graphically method. So here in question 1 total 2 questions given. First question, 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So here we want to find the number of boys and the number of girls took part in the quiz. So let me suppose. So first of all, let the number of boys is equal to x and the number of girls equal to y. So here we suppose that the number of boys equal to x and the number of girls equal to y. Now according to question, in question total 2 condition given. In first condition total 10 student, हमें यहाँ पे 10 स्टूडेंट दिए गए. 10 स्टूडेंट मीन्स गर्ल्स और बॉयज दोनों, इन दोनों का टोटल हमें 10 दिया गया है. तो हमारे पास इन दोनों का टोटल मीन्स बॉयज प्लस गर्ल्स इक्वल टू 10. हमारे पास बॉयज x है और गर्ल्स y है. सो x प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 10. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. Now second condition. In second condition, the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. जो girls है वो boys से 4 more है plus 4. So number of girls, हमने यहाँ पे girls लिया है y. वो क्या है? boys से 4 ज्यादा है, means x plus 4. 4 more than boy. So we get equation y is equal to x plus 4. Now move this x to left hand side, so it become negative. So y minus x equal to 4. So that is the second equation. So now we find the solution to show the graphically form. So we take first equation. X plus y is equal to 10. Now convert into y form. So we move x to the right hand side, so it become negative. So y is equal to 10 minus x. Now we take a different value of x. So if x equal to 1, then y is equal to 10 minus x की value 1, so is equal to 9. If we take x equal to 1, then we get y is equal to 9. If we take x equal to 2, then y is equal to 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. So we get if x equal to 2, then y is equal to 8. Now solution table. So first solution table, x and y. If we take x equal to 1, then y is equal to 9. If we take x equal to 2, then y is equal to 8. So this is the first solution table. Now we take second equation. In second equation, y minus x is equal to 4, and we have already y form. Y is equal to x plus 4. So we take this. In second equation, y is equal to 4 plus x. Now we take a different value of x. If x equal to 1, then y is equal to 5, because 4 plus 1, so y is equal to 5. If we take x equal to 2, then y is equal to 6. Now second solution table. X and y, if x equal to 1, then y is equal to 5. If x equal to 2, then y is equal to 6. So We complete a both solution table. Now we draw the graph. So now let's move on a graph paper. So now let's on a graph paper. So here we have draw x-axis and y-axis. Here we take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and on y-axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now here we have first equation x plus y is equal to 0, और उसके लिए हमारे पास दो सॉल्यूशन थे. उनमें से फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन था हमारे पास 1 9, जो पॉइंट यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. सेकंड हमारे पास सॉल्यूशन था 2 8, जो पॉइंट यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. और इन दोनों पॉइंट में से पास होने वाली लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, जो बन जाएगी x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 0. और सेकंड इक्वेशन हमारे पास था y माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू 4. इनके लिए दो सॉल्यूशन हमारे पास थे. फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन था 1 5, जो पॉइंट यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, और सेकंड सॉल्यूशन हमारे पास था 2 6, वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. इनमें से पास होने वाली लाइन हो जाएगी y माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू 4. एंड हियर वी ऑब्जर्व दैट बोथ द लाइन इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट पॉइंट 3 7. So this is the solution of both equation. So the solution boys equal to x equal to 3. यहाँ से हमारे पास बॉयज नंबर ऑफ बॉयज कितने हो जाएंगे 3, और गर्ल्स इक्वल टू y इज इक्वल टू 7. नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इक्वल टू 7. Now let's see the second number. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, where 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. Here we want to find the cost of 1 pen and 1 pencil. So let me suppose, first of all, let the cost of 1 pencil is equal to x rupees, and then the cost of 1 pen is equal to y rupees. So here we suppose the cost of 1 pen equal to y rupees and the cost of 1 pencil equal to x rupees. Now according to question, here total two condition given. In first condition, 5 pencil, 7 pens, cost rupees 50. So the cost of 1 pencil equal to x, then the cost of 5 pencil become 5x. Then cost of 7 pen is equal to 7 multiplied y, so it becomes 7y. Now the total cost of these two is equal to given 50. So 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. So this is the first equation. Now for second condition. In second condition, 7 pencil, so it becomes 7x, and 5 pens, so 5y is equal to total cost given 46. So we get is equal to 46. So this is the second equation. Now we find a solution. So first equation, we take first equation 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. Now convert into y form, so it becomes 7y is equal to 50. 5x को हम राइट साइड मूव कर देंगे, so it become minus 5x. Then 7 goes in a division, so it become y is equal to 50 minus 5x upon 7. So this is the y form of first equation. Now we take a different value of x and get the value of y. Here upon 7, so we take a value of x such that the subtraction of these two divisible by 7. So if x equal to 3, then y is equal to 50 minus 5x. x की जगह पे हम 3 पुट कर देंगे, so into 3 upon 7. Now 50 and 5 3s are 15 upon 7. 50 minus 15, so it becomes 35 upon 7. So यहाँ से कट हो जाएगा 7 5s are 35. So we get 5. If x equal to 3, then y is equal to 5. Now for second solution, if x equal to 10, यहाँ पे हम x की वैल्यू 10 लेते हैं, तो इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी, तो ये हो जाएगी 5 10s are 50. So y is equal to 50 minus 50 upon 7. 50 minus 50 0 upon 7. So is equal to 0. If we take x equal to 10, then y is equal to 0. So solution table, हमारे पास सॉल्यूशन टेबल इस तरह से बन जाएगा. If x equal to 3, then y is equal to 5. If x equal to 10, then y is equal to 0. So this is the first solution table for first equation. Now we take a second equation. For second equation is 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Now convert into y form. So it become 5y is equal to 46 minus 7x. Therefore, y is equal to 46 minus 7x upon 5. यहाँ पे हमें x की वैल्यू लेनी है जिससे रिलेटेड y की वैल्यू हमें मिलेगी. यहाँ पे हमें x की वैल्यू इस तरह से लेनी है कि वो 5 से डिविजिबल हो जाए. तो हम यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू 3 लेते हैं. If x equal to 3, then y is equal to 46. यहाँ हम x की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे 3, तो ये बन जाएगा 7 3s are 21. So 46 minus 21 upon 5. Now 46 minus 21, इन दोनों का हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे हमें वैल्यू मिलेगी 25 upon 5. Now 5 5s are 25. So we get y is equal to 5. If x equal to 3, then y is equal to 5. Now we take a value of x 8. If x is equal to 8, then y is equal to 46 minus 7 into 8. So 7 8s are 56 upon 5. Now 46 minus 56, तो आंसर आ जाएगा -10 upon 5. इन दोनों का कैंसिल, 5 2s are 10 होगा, so is equal to -2. So y is equal to -2. So second solution table, if we take x equal to 3, then y is equal to 5. So 3 5. If we take x equal to 8, then y is equal to -2. So 8 and -2. So both solution table complete. Now let's move on a graph paper. Now let's see the graph. On a graph paper we have to draw x-axis and y-axis such that on y-axis we have to take negative number also. So we have two equations. For first equation we have solution 3 and 5, and for second equation we have solution, here we have solution 2 minus 8. So this is the line of first equation and this is the line of second equation, and both the line intersect each other at point 3 5. So this is the solution of the given equation. It means the cost of pencil equal to x equal to 3 and the cost of pen equal to y and is equal to 5 rupees. So this is the final answer of second number.